Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change DPI resolution on Inkscape. We will set our resolution to 300 because sometimes people need 300 resolution to print graphics. It is a really useful function, yeah? Like you see, we have here icon of the house. If we want to change the resolution, we need to go to the right side settings, and here we have DPI. Unfortunately, if we will change it to 300, you will see that the width and the height has been changed, and we don't want this situation. So we will back to the previous settings, and only one thing that you need to do now is go to the right down corner, and here you have settings icon. You need to click this option, and here you have something like physical DPI. You need to set it to 300, yeah? If you will set here 300, the software will export your images on 300 DPI. So now you need to just set the name of the file, so for example house 300, and now you need to click export. After that, your file will be exported in the 300 DPI. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to set 300 DPI on your file, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.